Hi everyone, this is Bob from Retail Machinery. Today I'd like to showcase our X-type thin press machine with model Fp7x21x18.19mm. In my hand, this is a finished things. The copper tube is for the 7.0mm. The hole distance is 21 and the load distance is 80.19mm. On this machine, we equipped with a bin die with 24 loads with 2 progress. The SPM we adjusted is to 220 SPM. Next, let us take a look how this machine running.